Hello traders, welcome to another weekly gold XAUUSD price prediction and analysis video. So in this video we are going to analyze gold chart on different time frames, and we are going to check important price action levels for gold for next week so that we can utilize those levels in upcoming trading sessions. So before going into the price action, as usually, we are going to check the latest COT, that is commitment of traders report. And if we check the numbers of the managed money for this particular week, you can see into the change in positions column that the managed money is now again building, or you can say increasing their long positions. In previous two COT report, we have seen some decrease, or you can say some long covering by managed money, but at this time they are again adding positions into net long positions. And now you can see into short column, now they are also decreasing their short positions. So as per this data, the intentions of managed money is clear, and they are still bullish as per this data. Also, if we check the net long positions in this chart, in this, let me change the time period, and if we change it to 1 year, you can see that the net long position is at a highest point. This blue bar is the net long positions of the managed money, and if we check the positions of a net long position, it is around 2-year high. So this is a very super bullish situation because the net long position is at the highest position right now. So overall, the sentiment for this particular COT report is in bull's favor again. So now let's check the open interest data. Overall, the position is in the favor of bulls, but if we check the COT open interest data for this particular week, you can see that the open interest is going down. We already seen that in previous prediction video we already discussed that the COT showing the decrease in open interest. Let me explain this to you with another chart. So if we check the open interest chart, this is the open interest chart for gold, and in a previous week we have seen some decline, this right over here. You can see this was the decline in previous week, and again there is some you can say minor change, or the change is in the downside. So the open interest is continuously falling from last 2 weeks. So this is some you can say relief for bears, but overall there is no relief in actual on technical chart. So on technical chart, if we check the candlestick chart on 4-hour time frame, let's discuss the 4-hour time frame. So on this 4-hour time frame chart, you can clearly see that gold is super bullish, and it is printing a new all-time high every day. So in previous week we already seen this big move, and if we check the formation on 4-hour time frame, this was the trend line, this was the support trend line in previous week, and we are also expecting some correction and decline. But after the breakdown from this trend line, gold returned back, and you can see it is currently trading inside this parallel ascending channel. So on 4-hour time frame, it is clearly in bull's favor, and we can expect some decline only if price retraced back over here and if breakdown from here. So under this formation on 4-hour, we better have to look for buy opportunities. And if we check the daily time frame chart, this is the scenario currently on daily time frame, and the main thing that we have to watch is this trend line on daily time frame, because in previous bullish move we have seen that gold price made a good bullish rally. You can see a clear bullish rally without any negative day, and after that, after this much, that is 7.8% from this candle, we have seen some retracement and consolidation like this. But again, gold price took support near to this trend line support, and after this again gold price break out from this consolidation and now currently trading inside this parallel ascending channel. So if we now calculate the move from this trend line, it is currently 8.15%, which is higher than the previous spike. So at this point we can expect some consolidation or correction like this, but we can only expect some this type of movement. But you know that gold bulls not giving any chances. So for get a clear confirmation we have to wait. Like for this you can see that every time gold closing the day, or you can say the daily closing, it is closing above to previous day high. You can clearly say that means it is forming higher high on daily time frame. This day is closed above to previous day high, this also closed above previous day high, this and this again. So to confirm the consolidation or to confirm the decline, we better have to wait for at least 1 day close under previous day low like this. Then only we can expect some consolidation or decline. And to stay in the buy, we better look for buy opportunities on previous day high. So whenever previous day high break, we better look for buy opportunities, and we can put our stop losses below to previous day low, and we can ride the bullish rally. But as per this formation, I think we better have to wait, and we can't buy at the top right now. But it is not the top actually, because gold is ignoring every aspects technically and fundamentally. Because in technical terms, currently the scenario is overbought, but it is super bullish, and we better have to trade with the proper money management. So the scenario on a daily is still super bullish. As you can see, the last day candle closed with no wicks into the higher side, and we can't say that it is getting rejected. So overall it is bullish, and we have to look for the buy opportunities until we see some rejection or confirmation, like it have to close below previous day high, previous day low, sorry. So also if we check the volume profile distribution on, and if we talk in terms of the pivot placement, let me show you. In previous week we have seen that gold price from here, this was the opening price around here on previous week. This was a weekly pivot, and we have seen super bullish move, and gold did not tested the weekly pivot. So this showing the strength of bulls. And you can see that every day if we look at the CPR and Jones, the price did not closed below to CPR. So you can see in Friday trading session we have seen the narrow CPR, price opened below the CPR, but price again reclaimed the zone, or you can say the price level above to CPR, and we have seen another bullish run. So overall it is also in the bulls favor. Now if we talk in terms of the previous week movement, you can see it was closed above to weekly resistance 2. This was the weekly resistance 2, and it is currently acting as support. You can see in the NFP session we have seen a rejection. You can see clearly this was the wick, and price rejected from this resistance, which is now support, and we have seen a good bullish rally. So for next week the pivot is around 2296, or roughly around 2300, this right over here. So this is the weekly pivot, and you can see it is opening above to weekly pivot. So, and again the resistance weekly R1 is at 236465 area. So if we see the formation like this means that it is still super bullish, but we can also expect a test near to the pivot level. But as discussed on 4-hour time frame, we do not have any sell confirmation even on the lower time frame. So the possibility of sell is not clear in any time frame right now, and we have to wait for the confirmation in the live market. So we better have to stay with the bulls. So this is overall the scenario. In the lower side, this high volume node, that is around previous week resistance 2, is currently support level, and it is around 226265 area. So these two level are the major support on 1-hour time frame or on intraday time frame that we have to watch carefully. Now I do not want to discuss the dollar and US 10-year yield chart, because currently gold is not you can say trading with respect to those US 10Y and dollar. Gold is moving, even if the dollar is in bullish side, gold is also moving into the bull side. So this is clearly showing that the gold is super bullish, and we better have to wait for the dip to look for buy opportunities for short to medium term, unless we see some kind of rejection. And for next week, the important data that we have to watch is on Wednesday. We have important data. On Wednesday we have CPI data, and core CPI is on Wednesday. FOMC meeting minutes is highly impact data, and this is also on Wednesday. On Thursday we have PPI, this right over here, initial jobless claims on Thursday, and on Friday we do not have any major data. We have to watch the reaction from these data also. So this is the overall scenario. Overall scenario is still in the bull's favor, and for sell we have to wait. So we are going to discuss more about the levels in live trading session in Telegram channel. So see you there. Thank you.